changed our business model real quick. Okay, so I'll be back.
Okay. All right. Okay, so Circular Fashion LA. Thank you, Keith, for the lovely introduction. And he will be next. So I'm Carrie-Ann Frerick, CEO and founder of Circular Fashion LA. And it's a proven fact that every single one of us in this room are wearing clothes. 2 to 5 pieces each, actually. But there's still 80% of our closets that we don't wear with any regularity. But because our lives change, our bodies change, our tastes evolve, we constantly need new clothes. So I'm here to talk about our relationship to clothes, how they're currently made, why that's not sustainable, and what you can do about it. So welcome to the redesign revolution. All right, so the fashion industry is enormous. In fact, it's worth about 2% global GDP. Here in Los Angeles, it's the city's largest manufacturing sector, and we employ about 45,000 jobs here locally in the county. But it's also highly pollutive, exploitive, and wasteful. The fashion industry is responsible for a 10th global carbon emissions, a 5th global water pollution. It's the top 5 industry for forced labor and human rights violations. And the amount of waste produced is staggering. Here in the US, it's approximately 10% of what's in our landfills. And globally, a garbage truck full of textiles is landfilled or burned every single second. So revolution is necessary. So how are we redesigning the system? Well, we started by slashing our carbon emissions by 75% simply by choosing to work with materials that already exist versus materials made from virgin raw materials, virgin raw crops. We do upcycling as a service, we price our products to compete with fast fashion, and we do so at a 75% margin. And that is also where our competitors lie, so we're thinking differently and thinking bigger. We are also offering upcycling and re-dye and redesign as a service. With us, you can repair and refit to keep loving your favorite clothing items for longer. You can re-dye and redesign what's not working into your new favorite styles, and you can recycle what you don't want anymore. With our redesign membership, your wardrobe becomes 100% circular and sustainable, and your home becomes zero waste for all textiles. So we're a California social purpose corporation, and I have worked my entire career in the fashion industry. I've managed multi-million-dollar retail stores. I've managed wholesale distribution for brands to buyers, big and small, nationwide. I've manufactured a clothing collection right here in Los Angeles. I'm a circular economy pioneer with the Ellen MacArthur Foundation. I'm the organizer of the Circular Economy Club Los Angeles. And through it all, since 2010, I have been a professor of the business of fashion and sustainability. And currently I'm at Woodbury University, where I've been very lucky to set up a year-long work-study program with the senior fashion designers and marketing students, 5 to 6 of them every single semester, who come work for me and we create our exciting new products. I've done that under the advice and direction of my amazing advisory team. And our first key hires will be our directors of marketing, product development, and sales. So our next big steps are to create the mobile circular fashion lab. Now this will be eventually a zero emissions truck or trailer that will allow us to bring our redesign services to communities across LA County. It also will serve as our stepping stone to launching our own vertical production facility, and demonstrate as a model for how we can pilot locally in new cities moving forward. And our LACI pilot, we will be putting those funds toward building out the internal workstations that will eventually go inside the truck. So this will be a mobile re-dye lab, cut and sew stations, as well as acquiring fiber identification technology for sorting, so that we can do really great community collection events with Athens Recycling, California Product Stewardship Council, and we're also partnering here locally at LACI to help build out the cut and sew lab in tandem with this project. So how can you get involved? Well, every single one of you here in this room, I invite you to email me and see how fun it is to redesign what's already in your closet. This jacket started as a horrible oatmeal that washed me out and was a terrible color on me, and now it's my color, and I wear it all the time. So email me if you'd like to do a free trial subscription. Site hosts, we love to work with you to host community collection events and education events, as well as carry our products in your sales channels. Universities, I would love to partner with you to develop a similar work study program as what we've done at Woodbury University. And of course, angels and VCs will soon have a seed round where you can help us hire our dream team, acquire the truck asset, and secure future production facilities. So I thank you for your time. I invite you to the redesign revolution with me, and thank you so much.